Now sit back and enjoy your adventure on InvadR.
Ladies and gentlemen, peaceful thrill seeker here. We are on InvadR. I'm here with Will. We're at Busch Gardens in Williamsburg, Virginia. Fun fact that I just learned from Will is that these are the old quasi trains. And this is a long layout. This is gonna look like a lot of fun. Enjoy. Ladies and gentlemen, that was InvadR. 2 thumbs up from me. Will? 2 thumbs up from Will. Wow. They've done some good things with the old quasi trains, that's for sure. Oh my goodness, that was great, guys. 2 thumbs up. Peaceful thrill seeker. We're out.